Hey there, fellow wealth enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most sought-after insights to help you level up your financial game. Today, we're diving into the intriguing topic of the 15 things that rich people do that the poor don't. There might be a point or two that will ruffle some feathers, but it's important to hear if you're going to elevate your own path to financial freedom. Before we start, we're going to ask you click that like and subscribe button. Trust us, you won't want to miss any future content. Ready? Let's jump right in. Number 1. Rich people read a lot. In fact, top CEOs devour at least 50 books per year. Meanwhile, the average person reads a measly 1.5 books, usually fiction or romance. But here's the thing. Books are a treasure trove of knowledge and inspiration. They offer a direct portal into the minds of the most successful individuals, allowing you to learn from their triumphs and mistakes. So, if you want to level up your game, start reading. It's a game changer. Number 2. The wealthy sacrifice the present for the future. Rich people understand the value of sacrificing short-term pleasures for long-term gains. They start early, knowing that time is their biggest ally. While the poor might be busy partying or binge-watching TV shows, the rich are grinding, investing their time and energy into their goals. It's all about delayed gratification, my friends. Remember, the path to success is a marathon, not a sprint. Number 3. Rich folks go all in on their strengths to reach their goals. Setting goals is the cornerstone behavior trait of the rich. Clear, actionable financial goals. These are not vague dreams of becoming a millionaire overnight. No, they're specific targets that push them out of their comfort zones. They know exactly how much they need to earn and what they need to do to achieve it. By setting ambitious yet attainable goals, they create a roadmap to success. It's all about having a clear destination in mind. Number 5, they take responsibility for their fate. Rich people understand that they are the masters of their own fate. They don't blame external factors or wait for someone else to rescue them. They take charge of their lives, making calculated moves to craft the future they desire. It's all about personal accountability and taking ownership of their actions. Excuses won't get you far, my friends. It's time to step up and take control. Number 6. Redefining dollars. Rich people also have a unique perspective on money. They see it as a tool, a means to an end. They don't simply accumulate wealth to buy flashy things or indulge in extravagant lifestyles. No, they make smart investments that generate steady streams of income. They understand the power of compound interest and leverage it to their advantage. Money works for them, not the other way around. Number 7, no complaining. Another key trait of the wealthy is their focus on production rather than protest. While the poor might resort to complaining or boycotting, the rich are busy creating value for others. They innovate, they solve problems, and they add to the world. Instead of dwelling on the negatives, they channel their energy into making a positive impact. It's all about being a creator, not just a consumer. Number 8. Rich people also have a mindset of abundance. They understand that wealth is not a limited resource. While the poor often think in terms of scarcity, believing there's only so much to go around, the rich see unlimited opportunities. They know that value can be created, and innovation can open new doors. It's a mindset shift that allows them to tap into the endless possibilities that surround us. Number 9, now let's talk patience. The wealthy play the long game. They understand that success doesn't happen overnight. It's the small, consistent efforts over time that lead to greatness. They are willing to put in the work, day in and day out, knowing that their efforts will compound and pay off in the long run. It's about staying focused, staying committed, and never giving up. Number 10, healthy equals wealth. Health is a top priority for the rich. They understand that without good health, everything else becomes irrelevant. They invest time, effort, and money into maintaining a healthy lifestyle. They eat right, exercise regularly, and prioritize mental well-being. After all, what good is wealth without good health? Number 11. Rich people study other successful individuals. They analyze their moves, learn from their successes and failures, and seek inspiration from their journeys. They know that knowledge is power, and by studying those who have achieved greatness, they can gain valuable insights to apply in their own lives. It's all about learning from the best and constantly improving oneself. Number 12. Learn from the best. Having mentors is another common trait among the wealthy. They understand the importance of surrounding themselves with wise, experienced individuals who can guide them on their journey. Mentors provide valuable advice, share their own experiences, and help navigate the ups and downs of the path to success. It's like having a personal GPS system, ensuring you stay on track. Number 13. Save your change. And what we mean is rich people embrace change. They understand that the world is constantly evolving, and they adapt accordingly. They stay ahead of the curve, always looking for new opportunities and innovative solutions. They don't cling to the past or resist change. Instead, they embrace it and use it to their advantage. It's all about being agile and staying one step ahead. Number 14. The rich make our lives better. Now, let's address the elephant in the room once again. Rich people are making the world a better place. Yes, it's true. Contrary to popular belief, the wealthy are often the driving force behind progress and innovation. They finance breakthrough technologies, support philanthropic endeavors, and create opportunities for others. They understand that wealth can be a catalyst for positive change, and they actively contribute to making the world a better place. Number 15. Adapt, keep up, or get left behind. They understand the world is changing. Rich people keep up with the times, always looking for new opportunities and ways to innovate. Staying stagnant is a surefire way to fall behind. Bonus tip 16. Last but not least, rich people understand the power of results. They don't get paid for the hours they put in. They get paid for the value they create. They focus on delivering exceptional results, going above and beyond to exceed expectations. It's all about delivering value, and that's why they are rewarded. And there you have it, my friends, the 16 things that rich people do that the poor don't. Did you hear anything that might resonate with your own lifestyle and actions? We hope you found these insights enlightening and inspiring. Remember, it's not about comparing yourself to others or dwelling on what you lack. It's about adopting the mindset and habits of the wealthy to create your own path to success. So go out there, embrace these principles, and make your dreams a reality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And as always, stay tuned for our future videos, where we'll continue to bring you the most valuable insights to help you unlock your full potential. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we'll see you in the next video.